Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today got another fun one for you. Today we got another episode of Worker Works. That's right, guys. Thank you though, first as always, for you, the community, for having us in your homes, guys. We're having a lot of fun being here. Hope you guys are killing it right now. But this is an episode of Worker Works. The Worker Works series is the day-to-day life of a GPU mining farmer. Just kind of the behind-the-scenes stuff of what we're doing here. So the team has been extremely busy. It's been a very freaking fantastic week. We killed it. As you can see here in our last episode of Worker Works, we're in that new row H that we've been working on. We got this one all dialed in. Well, we also, as we showed you in that last episode, we got a lot more of those 7 and 8 GPU workers over here. So H and I, those are all nice and wrapped up. That's where those workers will stay. That is their home. So we'll show you over here. G, this is row G. 7 and 8 GPU workers, they're all set. So we've been really busy with that. We've got the permanent networking to do on this row, and that's going to mirror just what we did here. And then we got the permanent networking to do over here as well. So as always, huge thank you to the team, man, out here, guys at the farm. You guys killed it this week. Looking forward to tomorrow. That's right, tomorrow we got that hashtag Crypto Swag Friday. Make sure you guys are keeping up with that. If you're new to the channel, now's a good time to hit that subscription icon in the upper right hand corner. If you like Worker Works series or all of the videos that we do, comment down below, let us know what you think, please. That way other people can see it. Please give us a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give us a thumbs down as well. Well, as you can see, we moved this whole section right here. Used to be those 7 and 8 GPU workers. Well, now what we've done is we've got all our 13 GPU workers over here in this area. What? Look at this, guys. This is nuts. There's one of our team members now just kind of finishing up some of the stuff he's been working on. Well, let's come down here. So you'll see we got a patch panel here. We got a lot of stuff to work on. I know you guys have been requesting some electric videos. So we got these, we got our PDUs here. And I know you guys want to see some kilowatts on those and things, so we'll talk with you guys a little bit more on those. And I know you guys have been requesting actually us breaking down some of our 13 and 7 and 8 GPU workers. So, you know, this is one of the ASRock H110 Pro BTC Plus motherboards. And you can see here we've got some gigabyte GPUs. And those do have the China fans on them. Those are aftermarket fans. Gotta say huge shout out to Doge Lord. Thanks for everything there. Love the products. Cannot wait to get some of our new crypto swag in. But like I said, keep up with crypto. Hashtag Crypto Swag Friday. Let us know what swag you guys want. Boss Coin mining as well. We're having a lot of fun. Let's head down this aisle. So we got all of our 13 GPU workers in this area. A couple of reasons we did that. One is for power saturation, because we're going to need all the power we can get. Another was for the heat and everything. Wait a second. Look at this. Look at these empty rows. Are you guys kidding me? Look at this. You guys have seen the videos, the other Worker Works series. Look at this. So we got room. Well, what are we going to put in these, I wonder? As my little hashers like to say. But yeah, in this episode of Worker Work, we just wanted to show you the team, man, is very, very happy with how things have been going. But a huge shout out, thank you to the team. He's wrapping up some stuff here. Look how awesome that is, guys. This is nuts. So, with that being said, we did have to do a little bit temporary. This is row D here in the middle. We do have a few of our 7 and 8 GPU workers here. Once again, for power saturation and stuff. This is kind of temporary for right now, but we needed to get this moved. Look at this, guys. This is so awesome, man. This is nuts. So what we did was we mirrored those rows just like these other ones. We got a lot of work to do ahead of us. But yeah, on this episode of Worker Works, just wanted to show you guys that update. This has been like a week and a half, almost 2 weeks of this move and such. Like, this is nuts. Big things happening. Can't wait to show you guys everything that we've got coming down the pipeline. Make sure you guys check out our video for support of EIP 3368. That's our support from Michael Carter and the GPU mining community. That's you guys. You guys know I got your back. I'm a huge fan of being a part of this community. Also check out that video. We support Red Panda Mining as well. But yeah, make sure we'll put in the description down below some Doge Lord apparel. We'll send that link. But keep an eye out. We have some good stuff on the pipeline there as well. Other things that we wanted to show you guys in our Worker Work series. Like I said, a lot of you guys have been asking about our GPUs and such, so we're gonna go ahead and do some breakdowns of rigs and things like that. Lots of different things there as well. We're in the office, been getting prepped for a lot of stuff, been moving stuff around there. You guys, we have a lot of fun doing what we're doing. I hope you guys do too. Here's a workstation we've kind of been working on. But my name's Wes, I'm not your normal miner. Once again, if you guys love these videos, give us a thumbs up, comment down below. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscription bell. This has been an episode of Worker Works. Thank you.